Why we study physics? In the 19th century, physical sciences were divided into 5 distinct disciplines: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. The most fundamental of these is the physics. The laws and principles of physics help us to understand nature. In physics, we study matter, energy, and their interaction. What is matter and what is energy? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Simple. The classical states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Energy is the conserved quantity. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can be converted in form but not created nor destroyed. Mass and energy are closely related. If you are 20 or 21-year-old, so you might have seen something in the science fiction movies in childhood that did not exist at that time, was only visible in TV. But they all have reality today. The rapid progress in the science during the recent years has become possible due to the discoveries and inventions in the field of physics. The technologies are the applications of scientific principles. Most of the technologies of our modern society throughout the world are related to physics. For example, a car is made on the principle of mechanics, and a refrigerator is based on the principle of thermodynamics. In our daily life, we hardly find a device where physics is not involved. Consider pulleys that make it easy to lift heavy loads. Electricity is used not only to get light and heat but also mechanical energy that drives fans and electric motors. Again, consider the means of transportation such as cars and aeroplanes, domestic appliances such as air conditioner, refrigerator, vacuum cleaner, washing machines, and microwave ovens. Similarly, the means of communication such as radio, TV, telephone, and computers are the result of applications of physics branches. Physics branches? Yes. Physics is not a small subject. It is divided into many branches, in which mechanics, heat, sound, light, electricity, and magnetism, atomic physics, nuclear physics, plasma physics, and geophysics branches are included. These devices, made with the help of physics, make our lives easier, faster, and more comfortable than the past. Give you an example again. Think of what a mobile phone smaller than our palm can do. It allows us to contact people anywhere in the world and to get latest worldwide information. We can take and save pictures, send and receive messages of our sweet friends. We can also receive radio transmissions and can use it as a calculator as well. However, the scientific inventions have also caused harm and destructive of serious nature, one of which is the environmental pollution and the other is the deadly weapons. Now, it's up to us to use technology in peaceful ways or to destroy our world. We pray to God that we never use technology for destruction. Goodbye.